Hello my dear traders, I have prepared for you a very cool video on the Forex which will help you quickly make money in 5-10 minutes. At the end of this tutorial you will know how to work with MACD, so let's get it started. I'm gonna click on right here at this button of the indicators, and at the section of popular here we have MACD. On the right side we see the definition of the MACD indicator, and here we see classic features, classic volume. So fast period is 12, slow period 26, and signal period is 9. We have different colors. Color of the MACD line in our case today is blue, signal line is orange, and baseline is white. By the way, you may change your setting colors if you would like to, and apply. So on the screen we see MACD. My amount, it is $100 as usual. We're working on the IQ option platform Forex. I remember you about it, and here right now we see the intersection, and I open sell. So in case I just try to explain you, in case of the intersection between orange line and blue line, and if you see it, for example, and it is above the baseline, that is that moment when you have to open put option or sell. If you see the same, if you see the intersection of blue and orange line, but the intersection is under the baseline, you have to open buy. That is basic, not basic, that is general 2 moments which you have to know working with MACD indicator, and you can close your deal by yourself on your, or you can close it automatically. Actually, this is a stop level in Forex, and this is a very specific point at which all of traders active positions, in my case I have one active position because I opened one deal. So these active positions in the foreign exchange market are closed automatically by their broker or by themselves in appropriate time. And at this corner of this screen we see multiplier, and multiplier allows you to increase your traders profit potential. For example, you want to buy euro or USD, and your investment is $50, and your multiplier is 1. If the price goes up at 10%, your profit will be $5 USD. So for today, that is all for now. Thank you for your attention. I hope that my video is very useful for you, especially this one. I'm waiting for your shares, likes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next video episode. Bye.